to Outwell. Today we'll demonstrate the benefits of connecting your drive-away awning to your vehicle using our Connect set. The Connect set really shines if you plan on using your vehicle throughout your holiday for family excursions, leaving your awning standing on site. You can easily disconnect the awning from the vehicle without moving either, by simply pulling off the figure-of-8 strips, hereby disconnecting the two parts. Once you arrive back on site after a lovely day out with the family, you park your vehicle in the same spot and reconnect the awning to the vehicle. Slide the figure-of-8 back on, reconnecting the awning to the vehicle.